Okay, this is gonna be a little diversion from what we have been doing. Since I'm not at work currently with all my setup. Um, for this week, go to livesql.oracle.com. You should be able to use your sign-on that you used to download the software to go into this. And this is a learning platform for learning SQL. And once you get here, if you click, if it's not already so showing, you click Home, and you should see this Introduction to SQL. Hopefully. So if you click that, my equipment in home isn't as good. Okay, there it goes. I come up here, and there's this tutorial, and I want you to go through this tutorial, but I want you to change it to whatever tables you want and so forth. For example, this talks about creating tables and talks about it, gives you an example. And if you click this Insert into Editor, I'm going to put it over here, and then I could change this. So let's say I want to create a movies. If I can make that bigger for you. Okay, there we go. So create movies. Let's see. I'll give a movie name. March R250. That'd be fine. Director. And I suppose 50 would be fine there. And so forth. So you make your changes. Um, and how you run, I don't got that quite done. How you run it is you click this run up here. Um, and again, screenshots is what I'll have you turn in and so forth. To go back here, you can click that, and that tells you. Now you see how they built a constraint right on that. We haven't looked at a lot of that with the constraint built right in with the create table. But you see it says PK departments, primary key department number. Um, so I'm drawing a blank on what this would be. There's movie name is not a unique key. A movie ID or movie number. Okay. PK for primary key. And then movies. And movie number. Okay. So then I click run. And you see it says down here tables created. If I click save, this saves your session. So if you don't do it all in one sitting, then you can come back to it. Now see schema. You see your movies you just got were created here. So if you click that, you see it comes up here. Tells you about the table name, status, temporary, all these different items here. You see there's an actions over here. You can add a query, add column, all kinds of different items. If I click add column, it brings up the SQL to alter it. So if you mess up and you need to change it, then that's how you can do it. That doesn't get fired off until you click run, and then go on and create triggers and so forth based upon that. So again, I apologize. I left work, try to beat the freezing rain, but actually I think the weather is better now than when this morning was horrible when I went down to Wellington. Way back was better, but it looks like it's melting now. So I guess I should have just waited. Um, but anyway, that'll be the assignment for this week, is to go through that tutorial. There's lots of other. This is kind of a neat little resource here, actually. You can see there's a code library here. It's not the fastest, but then again, my computer isn't the fastest either. This is where you'll find that introduction to SQL. So if you don't see it in your the first page, then you can come to the code library and find it. But there's a lot of other options here. If you want to learn PLSQL, subqueries, their idea is they want to educate people as much as they can on their product, so people will be successful using Oracle, that want to use Oracle. So if you're wondering, well, why do they put this out here for free, they do it for that reason. It's kind of a training tool. Anyway, go ahead and stop there. And the project again is doing the introduction to SQL tutorial, but changing it to match whatever table, whatever kind of data you want to put into